To delete your browsing history on Safari on your MacBook, you can follow these steps. First, you have to open Safari app on your MacBook. In the Safari menu bar at the top of the screen, here, click on History. A drop-down menu will appear, and here you will find your history. You see the history of today, Monday, Sunday, and when you scroll down a little bit, you see Clear History. Click on it. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to choose how far back you want your browsing history cleared. You can select from options like the last hour, today, today and yesterday, and all history. Once you've chosen the desired time range, click on the Clear History button. By following these steps, your browsing history on Safari will be deleted based on a selected time range. This process can help you maintain your privacy and clear any saved information from your browsing sessions. And that's it.